This is Theo. He's a mini schnauzer and he weighs 20 pounds. He's wearing an extra small. He was neutered yesterday. As you can tell, the surgical suit is absolutely fantastic. He is, it fits very well. His little paws go through, and he's got a little area in the back. You can make it adjustable. I like the snaps a lot better than what the Velcro ones. And he is doing so well. So it's covered his whole neutering site, which is right under there. And he's doing great. So love this suit. It's worth every penny. Thank you so much. He's doing great.